Okay, I'm going to show you how to ebonize wood. This is just straight soft pine. I'm going to make some solo cup holders, and the pine doesn't have enough tannic acid in it, so what you do is you get some hot water and some powdered tannic acid that you can get off of Amazon. Mix it up, and then just basically wipe it on until it's wet. You can do it several times or one time, depending on how much acid you want to put in it. I usually do it once or twice, and then just set it aside. And then I'll show you what the next step is. So I started this mixture kind of late. I had some pre-mixed stuff that was all dried up, but it just wasn't rusty enough to do any good. So what you do is you take vinegar and you put 000 steel wool pads, like maybe 2 or 3, in a mason jar. You let it soak for a few days and it dissolves down and turns into basically rusty water, which is what it is. And what it does is the tannic acid reacts with the rusty water and turns stuff black. It doesn't stain it. That's an actual chemical reaction in the wood, which is totally permanent. And as you can see, I stirred the tannic acid with this little stir stick, and it's actually turned black. Kind of cool. Anyway, I'll see you the next step by 2 or 3 days. Yeah, about 2 or 3 days. Yay. All right, bye. Okay. So, what you do is you take your rust water, filter it through a paper towel. This is what it looks like. It's not totally dissolved yet, but it's pretty good. I tried a piece already and it's already black. But you just take a rag, dip it in your rust water, and put it on the wood that you sprayed or that you wiped on the tannic acid with. And you probably have to do it 2 or 3 times to get it to soak into the wood. But as you can see, it's already starting to change colors. It's pretty interesting. It's just a chemical reaction with the tannic acid and the rust water. It's pretty cool. And it's called ebonizing. So I'll go ahead and set it up and do like a time lapse. That'd be kind of cool. Yeah. And one of the nice things about ebonizing wood is that if you don't have enough tannic acid, like you didn't get enough, you can just put another coat of tannic acid on it, let it dry for a little bit, and then throw another coat of the rust water on it, and it'll darken it up. So it's hard to mess it up. So, and it's permanent. It actually soaks into the wood and makes the wood black. It looks purple right now, but once you throw a coat of polish on it or burnish it, it'll be black and permanent. Pretty cool. Science. Okay, so we got the ebonizing finally done, and see how it makes it kind of a purplish gray color. But once you put a coat of varnish on it, it makes it black. like a deep black. So it's actually pretty cool. I like how it turns out. So anyway, thanks for watching. I just realized that I didn't make a video of the finished product of what I was doing the instructional video for. But the rusty water, the technical term would be iron acetate. That's the vinegar and the steel wool. And this is what comes out when you do ebonizing. See how nicely that turned out. And these are solo cup holders for people that like to drink out of solo cups and write their name down. You got that. And a buddy of mine, he had a party and they were drinking out of little solo cup shot glasses. And I noticed that he didn't have one, so I experimented and got a little cup from him and made that. They're pretty cool. And then I have this one here. I just used some regular stain. And I'm going to get a laser engraver or something and have it engraved. So I think it looks cooler instead of the sticker. But anyway, thanks for watching.